Okay, so we've got a VW Transporter, T6, T32, short wheelbase. It's a 204 PS, it's DSG. This van's a 4Motion, so that means it's 4-wheel drive. So that's a great benefit if we do have any bad weather, or again, a lot of our customers are into mountain biking and outdoor pursuits and stuff, and that can take you to grassy, muddy car parks, that kind of thing. There's nothing worse than going somewhere and getting stuck and getting somebody out, having to give you a push and getting covered in mud. Now the difference with this van is it's a full ABT van, so every ABT accessory we've got on this van, so just show you around that. So we've got the ABT splitter just on there. Again, all the gloss black grills that we paint, and again, you can specify what colour you want the bumper strip in there. ABT grill on there. This is all black, this one. So again, we can do that, or you can have a colour in that bar, however you want to specify it. And I say it is a 4Motion, this van as well. Okay, so this is the full ABT van, and as part of the ABT package, we've got the ABT side skirts just there. So rather than the sidebars fitted, and we've also got the ABT wheels. So these are really cool, kind of satin finish and black. Also available in a black and red insert just there, rather than the satin silver insert. Okay, so more aspects to the LV ABT pack. We've got the ABT spoiler up there, really funky I think on that one. Then we've got the ABT skirt and also the ABT quad pipe exhaust on there as well. So I think that really finishes the back end of the van off. Okay, so the leather on this one, we've customised this to the van. So we've got the ABT logo in there. It's the Bentley stitch again with a grey finish. So again, we can customise the leather styles to suit you. Whatever you really want in there, we can do. Colours and everything again, you know, reds, tans, browns, all sorts of things really, you name it, we can do it really. Okay, so another great factory upgrade that this vehicle's got is the electric sunroof. So got the blind there, and then you can slide that open. It's great for the summer months, so you get the sun beaming in and fresh air. And then also, as well as sliding all the way back, you can have it on a tilt function as well, so just if you want a little bit of fresh air coming in. So just flick that way, and that just tilts up. That's a really cool feature.